Are you having hamstring tightness, hip pain, or glute tightness when you perform exercises, weightlifting or running, or even sport activity? Are you having difficulty in training where you're getting so far with your strength and conditioning, but hip pain or hamstring tightness is keeping you limited? If so, then you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video where we explore the top 3 reasons why you may be having hamstring tightness, hip pain, or glute pain. Hi, my name is Michael Reccuto, and I am with Physical Therapy Now. Me and my team have been treating hamstring, low back, and knee pain. And the source of the pain is sometimes not associated with the hamstring at all. Sometimes the hamstring pain is really, or hip pain is really low back problems. Let me explain. Hip pain, the feeling of numbness and tightening and tingling can all be mechanical problems related to the low back. And this is actually the source of in some cases of pain. There are many things occurring at the same time when you're exercising. And generally, if you are experiencing pain that is into the hips, into the thigh, and it can be tightness, because pain can actually have the perception of tightness. The source of the pain is actually the dysfunction of the lumbar spine occurring and then creating the symptoms at the hamstring or the sacroiliac joint. Most people don't notice these things happening until it shows up as, oh, I have low back, or I have hamstring pain, or I have hamstring tightness that won't let me perform. But that's actually not the case. It's really sometimes a problem at the low back or at the sacroiliac joints or hip joints that are causing this to happen. Number 2, there are regions of the pelvis that, if they're not aligned correctly, can create length tension issues in the hamstring and also the hip. So you have nerves that come out of the spine into the pelvis and then down the leg. And if there are problems anatomically with your pelvis, then sometimes that translates into recurrent hamstring pain or recurrent hip pain. The third reason why your hip or hamstring tension or pain is not really occurring at these sites is that if you are continuously stretching these places and you are not having any relief, then the soft tissue element of the stretch is just not working. You have to look at other sources beyond a simple stretch or beyond just some simple strengthening exercises. If you're trying everything that you can do to improve the strength of the hip and the hamstrings, and nothing's occurring, then you have to look at different sources. If you are having any problems with chronic hamstring tightness, glute pain, or hip pain that doesn't seem to be going away with exercise or with athletic performance, then go ahead and type pain below and we can talk about your specific condition. Also, if you want a very thorough evaluation in sorting out where your pain is actually coming from, you can call us at our office for an initial evaluation at 412-794-8352. I hope you learned a lot here today, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.